Hey guys, my name's Taylor with MarineMax of Dallas. Today I'm standing on a trade-in we just received. It is a beautiful 2018 Trifecta S21. This boat only has 25 hours on it, so it's basically brand new. It's 21 foot. It's got a Yamaha 150 on it, so it runs great with that. It is a Tritoon. It's got some nice, cool-looking wood flooring in the boat as well. Great wraparound seating up front. Storage, of course, under all those seats. Coming through the boat a little bit more, you have a nice lounge area here. This does have the single bimini. Of course, it has a table with it as well. Speakers all around the boat. Kicker sound system in it. Nice ski tow bar off the back. And a drop-down swim ladder as well, stainless steel. Looking at the helm here, kicker sound system. You got a Humminbird Helix 5 there in the dash with all your navigation and stuff on it too. So also a ski mirror with this boat as well. So like I said, this boat's in great shape. Service is just done on it. It's ready to go to the lake. So give us a call about this boat or come by our showroom and check it out. Thanks, and we look forward to talking to you.